In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up take profit on TradingView. A take profit is a preset price level where your position will automatically close to lock in gains. It's a simple way to stay disciplined and take the emotions out of decision making. Let's walk through how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by opening the chart you want to trade. For example, you might pull up XAUUSD if you're looking at gold. Any symbol works the same way here. Make sure the chart is on a time frame that helps you see your target clearly, and zoom in or out so you can spot logical levels like recent highs and lows or key support and resistance areas. Those levels can help you choose a realistic target. Next, head to the trading panel at the bottom of the screen and click either buy or sell, depending on your trade idea. This opens the order ticket. If you're practicing, you can use paper trading. If you're live, make sure your broker connection is active. Either way, the process is identical. When the order window opens, take a second to get familiar with what you see. You'll have your symbol, order type, quantity, and the fields for risk management. We're focusing on the take profit field. This is where you tell the system exactly at what price you want your position to close in profit. Find the take profit, sometimes shown as TP, and click into the price box. Enter your target price. If you're buying, your take profit should be above your entry. If you're selling, your take profit should be below your entry. For example, if you're going long on XAUUSD around 23.20, you might set a take profit at 23.30 if that aligns with your plan. Be sure the number you type is a valid price for the instrument and fits your risk to reward guidelines. You can glance at the chart to confirm the level makes sense visually. Before you place the order, double-check that the direction, symbol, and take profit price are correct. Small typos can send your target to the wrong place, so it's worth a quick review. When you're satisfied, click Place Order. Your order will be submitted with the take profit attached. On the chart, you should see a horizontal line marking your TP level, making it easy to verify at a glance. If you need to fine-tune it later, you can usually drag the line on the chart or edit it from the order management panel. That's it. You've just set a take profit on TradingView, keeping your strategy clear and your exits automatic.